like that of other Akan groups now in southern Ghana, was not a sudden move. They left in small groups, and by the mid-18th century, the three Akyem groups had established strong kingdoms in their current territories. The first ruler of Akyem, Abuakwa, who led his people from Adansi, was Nana Kuntunkrunku. Before him, there were about 4 other rulers in Adansi, but not much is remembered about them in Akyem traditions. The royal ancestors of Nana Fw Akwasi Akufo, Omanheni of Akwapem, trace back to Adansi. His forefather, Ofori Kuma I, was the great-grandson of Kuntunkrunku and Adansi Yeboah. In 1660, they left Adansi Kokobiante near Adansi Akoro Chere and settled in Abrakaso. Around 1700, they founded Akyem Abuakwa with Chere